Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Mural and Microsoft Whiteboard, two top-tier digital collaboration tools that help teams brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas together. I'll walk you through their features, user experience, integrations, pricing, and more. So by the end of this video, you'll know which one fits into your workflow better. First off, let me give you a very quick high-level overview. Mural is a super interactive tool that helps teams work together visually. It's great for breaking away from boring, static meetings. Now, you get templates, sticky notes, voting tools, timers, and even integrations. It is perfect for workshops, brainstorming, or design sprints. On the other hand, Microsoft Whiteboard is more simple and free-form. It works really well with tools like Microsoft Teams and OneNote. It's familiar and easy to use, especially for teams already using Microsoft 365. It's great for adding quick sketches or notes to your conversations. Now, when it comes to features, Mural is great for structured teamwork. It has ready-made templates for things like customer journey maps, brainstorming, retrospectives, and product roadmaps. It also has tools like private mode, voting, and timers to keep everyone focused and on track. Now, on the other hand, Microsoft Whiteboard is all about keeping things simple. You can draw, add sticky notes, and write with a stylus or a mouse. It doesn't have all the templates or advanced tools that Mural offers, but it works really well with teams, so you can jump into a whiteboard session during a meeting without switching apps. This is super handy for businesses that use Microsoft a lot. Next up, let's talk about user interface. Mural has a colorful and polished look that's great for teams and helps visualize complex ideas. It might feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to digital whiteboarding. But once you get the hang of it, it is a very powerful tool. Microsoft Whiteboard, on the other hand, keeps things simple. It's clean and minimal design. It makes it easy for anyone to use it right away, even if they are not that tech savvy. The downside, though, is that it doesn't have as many advanced features as Mural. When it comes to integrations, Mural works with tools like Slack, Jira, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. It's a great fit for different kinds of work environments. Now, Microsoft Whiteboard, however, connects directly with Microsoft 365. This makes it a great option if you're already using other Microsoft apps. Now, let's go over pricing. Mural gives you a free plan at $0, a team plan for $9.99 per user per month, and a business plan for $17.99 per user per month, and of course, an enterprise plan with custom pricing. Microsoft Whiteboard is included in all Microsoft 365 subscriptions, so you don't need to pay extra for it. Now, which one should you go for? If you want a solid visual collaboration tool with plenty of structured features, Mural is the best option. It has advanced tools that make facilitation easy and works great for complex projects. But if you need something simple and easy to use, Microsoft Whiteboard is a great pick. It works smoothly with Microsoft Teams and Office apps, and the best part is that it's included for free with Microsoft 365. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.